Hey, I'm Priyanka Kanvat Reddy. I'm a student who is pursuing engineering in the stream of information technology. I'm skilled in programming languages like C, C#, Python, and Apex, and have a good knowledge in game development and Salesforce Lightning. Planet is a very useful platform which helped me to complete 4 super badges and 120 plus badges in Salesforce. I have also attended some hackathons and gaming competitions. Besides this, I have also worked on some projects like Technicalhub Git AR and our college CRM using Salesforce. I have completed a couple of certifications like Salesforce Certified Administrator and HTML5 Application Development Fundamentals issued by MTA. I am very passionate in learning new things and I take pride in my punctuality, strong management skills and motivational skills.